What you doing, Stuart? You gonna need on the blanket? Yeah? We're gonna make a video. Hello, folks. Welcome to our first video. Stuart Eats Breakfast, starring this little nugget here. Stuart. A little bit about Stuart. He's a purebred Russian blue cat, and he's hypoallergenic, so he's good for my allergies, and I'm training him, and every day's been a learning curve for me and him, but we're proud to present to you our first video today. This is my food, Stuart. It's my food. You're gonna get yours after I cook, okay? You gotta be patient, little one. This is my breakfast. You still need to learn that this is my breakfast. I'm coming. Oh, move it. Sorry, boy. It's almost here, okay? There you go. There you go, boy. Good boy. What are you looking at? You looking at the camera? It's enough, boy. It's enough. Let's take a sit down, okay, boy? Oh, what a nice kitty cat you are. I feel you. You want to jump up? Or you want to stay down there, huh, boy? Come on up. Stuart's licking himself under the couch right now. Just trying to see what he does. And here he comes. He's on the couch now. Stuart, this is not your food. You can't eat this. No. No. You can't have my food. Come on, move over. Let's go this way, okay? Let me eat my food. Okay? Hey. Easy. Stay. Psst. Stuart. Stay. This is my breakfast now. You had yours, so you gotta let me eat mine. Okay? Go lay down over there. I'm trying to knock over my water bottle, you silly boy. No. Go over there, okay? Stay. You gonna let me eat? Stay. Good boy. It's time for me to eat. Psst. Stuart. No, Stuart. Come on. Let's put you down, okay? Gotta wait, boy. No. Can't have my apples. That's people food. Stuart, no. Come on, boy. Back down with you. Stay. Psst. Stay. Hey. Stuart, I know you want to cuddle, but you gotta let me finish my breakfast first. Turn around. Come on, turn around. You can sit on my lap, but you can't eat my food, okay? Good boy. Look, I got nothing for you. Now he's back on the floor. He looks at himself in the oven every morning. You see your reflection, boy? Yeah? Go drink some water. Good boy. Very good. Oh. Keep your tummy track? What are you looking at? You're so cute. You're such a cute kitty cat. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You are so spoiled, Stuart. I rub your tummy? Yeah? You're so tiny. Good boy. Very good. Wanna play? Come on out, boy. Psst, psst, psst. Come on out, boy. Ready? Stuart, let's hook up your springy toy today. Let's go. Move back a bit. You got it. Good boy. Come on, let's run. Whoa, that was so high, Stuart. Good boy. Psst, psst, psst. Look, Stuart, where'd you go? Where are you hiding at, huh? Where are you hiding at? Stuart, still want to play? Where'd you go? There you are. You're hiding behind the bed. Come here. You got it. Good boy. Come on out. You come and get it? Ah, you're using your new bed. Good boy. Very good. Psst, psst, psst. Stuart's laying in this new bed now. He's getting ready to pounce again. Ah, there he goes. Good boy. He got his prey. Got his prey. Ah, time to unscrew this. There you go. Good boy. Stuart's back on my lap. Let's see if he jumps the counter again. Yep, he's gonna go jump the counter again. This little guy is so full of energy now. Yep, he's gonna jump the counter again. Ah, Stuart, psst, get off the counter. Off. No kitty cats on the counter. No kitties on the counter. Get off. Stuart. Stuart, there's no food up here for you. No, get out of the sink, boy. No, no kitties on the counter or in my sink, okay? Use the trash can. No, Stuart, no. Psst, no, come on. Let's put you down, okay? We'll wash these dishes. Stuart, no. Get down, get down. Psst. Move. There's nothing for you. Look, there's nothing for you, okay? No. You've had your breakfast today, okay? You need to get off the counter now, okay? I don't know if I'm ever gonna get him off the counter. Yeah. You looking at me? You looking at me? No, there's nothing down there for you. There's nothing down there. No. Psst. Hey, out. Come on. No.
Do it!
I just gave you breakfast, boy. You need
Just
to get out.
do it!
Get out. Out. Go back on the trash can, okay? There's nothing up here for you, okay? Come on. Let's take you down. I gotta teach him not to lick my sink. But it's still gonna be a long way to go before he learns. Well, thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you soon. Check out my Instagram page for Stuart and my Discord for Stuart, and subscribe.